Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a spline area chart in a dashboard using Bold BI. First, let's see what a spline area chart is. A spline area chart is a kind of area chart that connects data points using smooth curves. The area between the data and the x-axis is filled with colors. These charts are used to visualize the data trends over time. Here's an example of a spline area chart that shows the monthly number of motor vehicle accidents over the course of a year. Let's see how to create a spline area chart in a dashboard. Here is the customer ticket traffic management dashboard. It shows a detailed view of customer tickets handled by a support team with relevant KPIs. This logged versus resolved tickets by month metric is showcased with a spline area chart. We're going to recreate this. To start with, drag a spline area chart from the toolbox into the Design panel. Resize the widget as needed. Under the Properties tab, set a suitable title for the widget. In the Assign Data tab, you can see the list of columns from the connected data source. A spline area chart requires a minimum of one value element and one series element. For our use case, we need both created tickets and resolved tickets to be aggregated. To achieve this, bind the ID and ticket resolved columns under the Values section with count and some aggregations set respectively. To plot the values by month, let's bind the created at dimension column under the Columns section and convert the format from date to month year. As the bound data source has more than a year of data, let's apply a relative date filter for a range of the last 6 months. Now, we can see logged versus resolved ticket details rendered in the chart. The spline area chart has been successfully configured. Next, let's go through the properties supported by the spline area chart, which are listed under the Properties tab. Under Basic Settings, by default, the Show Tooltip option is enabled. It can be disabled if needed, and you can also switch chart types as required. You can customize the value label position and rotation. You can also apply formatting to show color variation in each data category. Let's next look at some of the best practices for using a spline area chart. Start the y-axis at 0 to accurately reflect the proportionate difference in data. The area fill color should be applied carefully to identify different datasets clearly and avoid any visual clutter. Data categories should be arranged with high variable data at the top and low variable data at the bottom of the chart. Let's see just one more dashboard example that uses a spline area chart. In this real estate management dashboard, to showcase the difference between actual and target property sales, we have used the spline area chart. You can use a spline area chart to map an area rather than having a single line or spike to visualize the difference in data category values. I hope you enjoyed this video and learning what a spline area chart is, its use cases, how to add it to a dashboard, and some best practices for using it. Please leave a comment with any question you may have or if there are any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.